guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone or Simone Chanel. As you guys can see today, I will be reviewing this pink hair. Okay you guys, so this is pretty much how this box came. This is what the box comes in. As you can see, ReadyWig is right here across the front, and it just comes in this rose and black box, and inside comes hair care instructions right here, and on the back it has ReadyWig's social media. It also comes with a nude wig cap, a pretty little spray bottle with a pink cap, which I'm very excited about because I love pink. And this is the wig, you guys. Look at this. It is so pretty. It almost matches my nails, but it has more of like a rose tone to it. So it's kind of like pink and goldish mixed together. And it has this hairnet on it right here. The hair is really soft already, I can tell. The hair is really soft. It feels thick and it's straight. This is the length of it, and it looks pretty natural, you guys. It doesn't have much shine to it, which is good, so I won't have to spray or anything. It just looks super good. So this is the lace on it. The lace looks light brown. I can kind of tell that, which is good, so I won't have trouble blending it in. We also have 2 hair clips in the front and 1 in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and try it on. Well, it does come with a little bit of parting right here, but we'll look at that when I try it on. Then I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so this is how the wig turned out. I absolutely love it, you guys. And as I stated in the beginning, this hair is really soft, and I just love how it just flows and it just melts. So this wig is the ReadyWig Pink Silky Straight Synthetic Lace Front Wig, and this wig is in 22 inches, and it is on sale for $39.99, you guys. So I definitely suggest this wig 100%. I didn't pluck it. All I did was did little swoops right here on the side, and I'm going to show you guys how long this is on me. My height and everything is in the description box, so if you guys want to know how tall I am, look down there. So this is how long the wig is. It comes right here to like my rib cage. And I'm gonna show you guys the back. So this is the back of the wig right here. So if you guys are looking for some pink hair, I definitely recommend this hair. It is affordable and the packaging is really cute. It kind of goes with the theme of the hair. So the pink spray bottle, the pink box, and it just, I don't know, I love it. It's really popping. And I didn't put anything in the parting space either because of how light the lace is. It kind of just already shows like my skin color, so it works. But if you guys want to go ahead and put some powder in between the part, you can. And if you guys want to add heat to it, you can do that as well. And because this wig is a lace front, you can put it in braids and things like that just to give you a different style with the wig. Let's see. So this is a messy yet cute style right here. This is like a flat twist. So if you guys want to do braids and stuff back, it'll look really cute. I don't know, I like it. But I like this hair straight, you guys. And if I'm feeling jazzy, maybe I'll do some braids or a twist in this hair and I'll show you guys. So if you guys want to see pictures of this hair up close, definitely go check out my Instagram at Simone Chanel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.